Sand the surface scratch-free. Final sanding grid should be between 80 and 120. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose, but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some exterior wood cleaner and scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush in the lengthwise direction of the wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Stir Rubio WoodCream well before use. Apply the product evenly to the vertical surface with the WoodCream brush. Work with the grain and in sections approximately 3 to 4 boards wide. Always keep a wet edge to avoid overlaps. With rough, absorbent, very dry wood, or in case of high temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius, we advise to dilute the WoodCream with the WoodCream softener. Never add more than 50% softener. In case a more opaque result is required, you can also apply a second layer of WoodCream after at least 3 hours. To avoid applying too heavily, dilute the WoodCream this time with 25% or 50% of WoodCream softener, depending on the desired result. Now allow the surface to dry 12 hours. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. In case of dirt and green deposit, clean the facade with low-pressure water. In normal weather conditions, a maintenance coat is needed every 5 years. Indications are fading out of the color and a diminishing pearl effect. When doing maintenance, there is no need for sanding. Just reapply WoodCream in the original color and dilute it with 10 to 50% of WoodCream softener, depending on the desired result.